Say hi, friends.
I'm racing for the water bottle.
Yeah, we can't find the water bottle. Where did you put your water bottle?
Put water bottle. Say
Wala lang.
water bottle. The
Yeah.
purple water bottle. The purple.
Yeah, purple water bottle.
It's gone.
It's gone, yeah. Now they will find it tomorrow. Now it's here somewhere.
Come.
Come, show us your outfit. Hang on, show us your outfit, B. B. Show your outfit, B. Yan yung shoes na binili namin, guys. Oh, the other night.
Come, Mommy.
Can you find the bucket?
No, it's a booze. Hooray!
Hooray! You get it! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. It is now 5 o'clock ng hapon at kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Ngayon ay ready na tayo para pick upin ang ating baby girl from the childcare. And umupo lang ako ng saglit, guys, kasi parang stretch ko muna ang aking mga paa-paa kasi sobrang sakit na. Si daddy pala ay hindi sasama sa atin para pick upin si baby girl kasi today, yung computer niya, hindi yung computer, yung system nila sa trabaho, very slow daw, kaya medyo busy si daddy natin ngayon. And magluluto din daw siya ng hapunan namin. And right now, I think yung lulutuin niya is yung pork. Daddy, what are you cooking for dinner?
Roast pork.
Roast pork pala. Roast pork yung lutuin niya. And then, nandito pala yung, ano guys, oh, yung ito, bulaklak na binigay sa akin ni Daddy Mike the other day. Buhay pa. Nung ano pa yata to? Saturday or Sunday? Saturday. Ayan, buhay na buhay pa. Tapos, ito yung binigay ko kay Daddy Mike kahapon for his birthday. Ayan. Hindi ko pa sila na, nalagay sa, ang tawag ito, separate ba na vase. Alis na ako kasi anong oras na naghihintay ng ating baby girl. I'm going now, Daddy.
No, Daddy on the camera.
Alright, I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you. Hindi siya nagpapakita, guys, kasi wala pa siyang ligo. Hihiya daw siya. Alright, I think I've got the keys and all. Oh, ayan pala yung lulutuin niya, guys. Oh. Go run, Daddy. Ito pala lutuin ni Daddy, guys. Pork. Lalagay namin sa oven. Sarap yan. Ito, I love this one, crackles. I'm going, Daddy. Medyo hayag pa pala siya dito sa gawas. Oh, medyo hayag pa man sa gawas. Bisaya ka. Let's check our mailbox, B. Ay, nothing. Parang nababaguhan ako pag pinipick up ko si Paris na ako lang mag-isa ba kasi nasanay ako nakasama si Daddy Mike all the time. Ay. Open na. Ito yung key na nadala ko, guys, kasi may key ako na isa, yung yung tuplok-tuplok ba. Hindi ko siya nakita. Buti na lang meron kaming extra na ganito. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Sobrang ginaw, guys. My Lord. And dito sa sasakyan is very dark. Andito sa sasakyan, guys, always ako naglalagay ng mask kasi I'm still not used to it. So, lumalabas ako ng sasakyan na wala akong mask. Kaya I make sure na meron ako dito para in case na makalimutan ko galing ako sa bahay, meron ako sa sasakyan. Kasi hindi pwede makapasok sa childcare nila Paris na walang mask. Kita ka pa ng pulis, fine ka ng $200. Awa na, yayay. Where's your bag?
This up,
Yeah, we have to go get your bag. Get your bag, my love. Come on. Come on.
Has a run.
Tingnan niyo yung outfit ni Paris, guys. Oh. Super cute. Run. In that room.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm a
Oh,
pasta.
hang on.
Yeah.
Open it
Mommy,
first.
no.
Open it first.
It's past and coach.
Oh, you want to open it yourself? Okay. Hi, friends.
Where's the booze?
Oh, close. Ah. Gusto niyang i-close tapos i-open din niya.
I saw Taiwan.
Oh, open now. There you go. Get your bag now. Oh,
What?
there it is. Where's your bag? Please show it to mommy. Show it to mommy.
The water bottle.
Hello, where's your water bottle? Maybe it's in the bag. Have a look in your bag. Is the water bottle there?
No.
No. Oh no, where is it?
It's gone, isn't it?
It's gone. Tingnan niyo yung suot niya, guys. So, show that here, Bi.
Me.
Hi, tita, sabi. Hi,
Hi,
tita.
teacher.
How are you?
Hi, the castle.
Let's go find your water bottle. Come on.
It's gone.
It's gone.
My come.
Have a look there. There's nothing there? Nothing there? Oh no. It's alright, Nak. You can just leave it here. They will put new water tomorrow. Come on.
Peace.
Huh?
It is
Hey, don't open there, Nak. Wait. Your water bottle is not there. Come on, let's go.
No.
Hala, come on, let's go. Hala, Mama's going na. Daddy's waiting at home.
The car.
Huh? Daddy's not in the car. Where's Daddy?
Daddy in the car.
Daddy is cooking
There.
dinner. That's right. Come on, let's go.
Where's the jaw?
Yeah, did you paint today?
Pay.
Can you open the door for Mama? Open the door. Thank you.
Close.
Close. Hang on. Close. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Good job. Say hi, friends.
Aspiration for the water bottle.
Yeah, we can't find the water bottle. Where did you put your water bottle?
Put water bottle. The
wag na lang.
pink water bottle. The
Yeah.
purple water bottle. The purple.
Yeah, purple water bottle.
The gun.
It's gone, yeah. Now they will find it tomorrow. Now it's here somewhere.
What did you take?
Is your hand clean? Did you put disinfectant? Huh?
This for mommy.
Yeah. What did you say before? Do you want to go shopping for?
You buy water bottle.
Oh, buy water bottle because you lost yours.
I put water bottle.
Yeah. We don't have to buy, honey, because your water bottle is here somewhere.
Phone. It's in the phone.
That's right. Do you know how to open this door?
In the first phone.
The phone, yes.
In the car.
Go. Oh. There you go.
Look, there's fish.
Fish, is the fish okay? The jellyfish okay?
The hand fly down.
Say hi, jellyfish. I'm going home. Say hi, jellyfish.
And green case.
I'm going home, jellyfish.
Look, the fish.
That's right. Come on now, because Daddy's waiting.
That is in.
Daddy's waiting.
What's that?
Yeah. Friend, come on. Jump.
No.
Wait for Mama.
No.
Wait for Mama. Na. Come. Show us your outfit. Hang on. Show us your outfit, B. Show your outfit, B. Yan yung shoes na binili namin, guys. Oh, the other night.
Come, mommy. No.
Okay, ma, let's go. People are waiting.
It's time, mommy.
Nakaupo na ang ating prinsesa, guys. Say hi, B, Mama.
Hi, mama.
Say like that, oh.
Jill.
Wave ba, wave. We're going now, guys. Nag-marching ng ating baby girl, oh. Wala siya nagpa-arsa. Go see Daddy, quick. What's Daddy doing?
Yeah.
Come on. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. More ba? More. Makadung si daddy. Wala? Why tao?
Mommy.
Okay. Nak, tell daddy you couldn't find your water bottle.
I go shopping.
Tell daddy you couldn't find the water
What
bottle.
happened to your water bottle, Baba?
Water.
Where,
Water bottle.
Yeah.
where is it?
Where is it, Paris?
That's water bottle.
Yeah, where's Paris' water bottle?
Where did you put it? You lost it, did you?
It's up here.
Yeah, you couldn't find it. Hmm.
It's really good. It's for me.
Yes, my love. What are you doing? Guys, 6:30 na siya ng gabi, and while the dinner is still cooking, nagluto kami ng ng roast pork for dinner. Tapos may kanin pa kasi ako from last night, so yun lang yung kakainin ko. And maghuhugas muna ako ng plato, guys, while hintay-hintay sa hapunan namin. Anyways, tinatry kong tawagan yung sister tsaka mama ko, guys, but they are busy, I think. May isi-share ko sa inyo, guys. So, today pala, yung little sister ko, nag-ano pala siya, grand opening ng kanyang maliit na meat shop sa amin. And you know what, guys? Super proud talaga ako sa sister Mimi ko na yan. Kasi, at first nga, diba, bumili lang siya ng isang bale na ukay-ukay. Nagla-live selling siya sa Facebook every night. Tapos, after niyan, gumawa siya ng kumuha siya ng isang shop para sana sa mga, yung mga ibibenta niya ng mga damit. Hindi lang mga ukay-ukay, but yung ready-to-wear na mga damit ba, ganun. Pero yung nangyari sa shop na yun, ginawa niyang karinderya. Kasi yung katabi ng shop na yun ay mga karinderya din. So, parang naiiba yung sa kanya. Napapalibutan kasi siya ng karinderya. So, yung ginawa rin niyang karinderya. Kasi, yung nanay ko kasi, mahilig din siya at magaling din siyang magluto. Kaya yung ginawa ng sister Mimi ko, instead of yung ibibenta niya doon mga damit, yung ginawa niyang karinderya. So, ngayon, paggabi, nagla-live selling siya para sa mga ukay-ukay niya. And then, during the day, minamanage niya yung karinderya niya. So, kumuha siya ng isang magbabantay doon kasi yung nanay ko naman yung magluluto, kaya walang problema. And then, ngayon, I can't believe na meron na naman siyang isa, guys. Like, seriously, I am super proud of her kasi at her young age, sobrang madiskarte niya talaga and sobrang, anong tawag nito? Parang magaling siya sa pera niya ba? Hindi siya magastos. Yun yung tamang word dun. And it makes me very proud as her ate kasi alam ko nandito ako sa Australia and yung mga tao sinasabi na bakit hindi din siya mag-asawa ng puti? Since nandito na naman ako, hindi na daw siya mahihirapan, 'di ba? Kasi yung sister ko, guys, she's been here twice na sa Australia. So first was year 2015. She stayed here for total of 9 months. And then last year 2019, she stayed here for 1 year. So, from last year to earlier this year, nandito siya. So, yung mga tao sinasabi na, mag-asawa ka na lang ng Australiano, Day, kasi nandito ka na sa Australia, wag ka na lang umuwi, maghanap ka na lang ng mapangasawa mo dito. But, ni minsan, hindi ko yun sinabi sa kanya, kaya sinasabihan niya ako na, te, maraming salamat, kasi hindi mo ko pinipressure, kasi nakaka-pressure naman talaga yung ganun, di ba? Yung mga tao na nagsasabi na mag-asawa ka na lang kasi nandito ka na, kasi yung ibang mga Pinay nga, 'di ba, naghihirap pa sila na mag-chat, na makahanap sila ng makaka-chat nila na mabait. Ngayong dito sa Australia, may mga naghahanap, may mga kaibigan ako or may mga ewan ko, 'di ba? May mga tao na dito sa Australia and since nagstay na siya dito, marami talaga siyang makikilala kung gusto lang niya talaga. Pero siguro hindi niya linya, guys, kasi itong pag-aasawa ng foreigner, hindi naman talaga para sa lahat. And yun nga sabi niya, nagpapasalamat siya sa akin kasi hindi ko daw siya pinipressure. And sabi ko sa kanya, that's your life. You are old and ugly enough to decide for yourself. Sabi ko yun sa kanya. Kasi ayokong, sino ba naman ako para magdikta sa kanya, 'di ba? Alam nga naman sabihin ko sa kanya na, mag-asawa ka na dito, ito yung kaibigan ko, yung kaibigan ng Kuya Mike mo, asawahin mo na, ganun. Wala akong ganyan, guys. Kasi, we only live once. So, YOLO, di ba? You only live once. And gusto ko na i-spend niya yung buhay niya na masaya siya. Hindi yung parang napugos lang siya ba? Yung parang na, anong tawag? Ang Tagalog sa pugos? yung parang na-push lang siya ba na gawin yun kasi gusto ng mga tao sa paligid niya or gusto ng pamilya niya. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, you are now at your, parang, good age na para mag-decide ka para sa sarili mo. And my sister is only 22, guys. Kaya ayun yung sabi ko sa kanya. Umuwi siya ng Pilipinas after ng 1 year kasi visit lang naman siya dito nung nagpatulong ako kay Paris. And then nung pagka-uwi niya, yun nga sinabi niya, ano kayang gagawin ko, te? Ano na ba siya? Anong negosyo yung gagawin niya? Tapos yun, nag-usap-usap kami. Ito, baka ito, mag-work sa'yo, ganyan. So sa akin naman as ate, advice lang yung sa akin para sa kanya. And now that she's got these things now, you know what I mean? Like, nandun pa rin yung ukay-ukay niya, and then yung karinderya niya, and then today, yun nga, opening ng kanyang meat shop. I'm very, speechless talaga ako. Sobrang proud ako sa kanya kasi sobrang napaka-hardworking niya talaga. Can you imagine, right? So, sa gabi, nagla-live selling siya sa Facebook ng mga ukay-ukay niya. So, maybe we'll say from, I don't know, 9 o'clock to midnight, ganyan. Tapos sa umaga, gigising pa yan siya. Anyways, it's good kasi yung nanay ko nandoon. So yung nanay ko yung gumigising talaga ng sobrang maaga para magluto para sa karinderya. And then yung sister ko, mag-sleep in siya sa umaga. Tapos mga around 9 or 10 o'clock, doon na siya susunod sa karinderya kasi nandoon na naman yung nanay ko. But then, like, seriously, sobrang busy talaga, but hinahandle niya lahat. Kaya, saludo talaga ako sa iyo, Mingay. I'm super proud of you. And hindi talaga ako magsasawang sabihin sa iyo yan. Kasi very close kami ng sister ko, guys. Like, super close. She has been with me through my ups and downs. Kaya, alam na alam niya lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay ko. And sinishare ko sa kanya lahat. And I'm very proud na I have a sister and a best friend in one person. And yun yung sister Mimi ko. And yun nga, pinipray ko palagi na sana kaawaan ng Diyos yung, yung mga mumunting business niya. Kasi dyan naman talaga magsa-start, diba? And alam nyo, yung mga tao sinasabi na, kasi yung atin niya nandun sa, ibang bansa. Kaya sa atin niya na negosyo yan. Guys, like, seriously, it's not mine. It's all my sisters. It's my family's business. Nung nagsa-start pa lang siya, nagbigay ako ng konti para pang dagdag sa puhunan niya dun sa ukay-ukay. But after that, guys, nothing na. Siya na yung nagpalago ng pera na yon. And I just stand as her sister, of course, and also her advisor. Yung mga yung binibigay ko sa kanya yung mga best advice ko, and also nandito si Mike. And si Mike and Mimi also, they are close kasi nga, diba, Mimi stayed here with us for a year. So, kaya si Mike is todo suporta din sa parang mga advice niya about sa kung anong gagawin. And alam niyo yung sobrang nakaka-touch talaga, guys, is that minsan pa nag-uusap kami, muramig mga buang, like, nagiiyakan kami, like, sinasabi ko sa kanya kung gaano ako ka-proud sa kanya, and you know what, guys, para lang kaming mga kalay-kalay, like, umiiyak talaga, tapos sinasabi niya sa akin na it's all because of you, ate, salamat for being my, parang yung role model, dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ako ng ganito, ng ganyan, and yes, sobrang guys, sobrang nakaka-touch lang na meron akong ganyang klaseng relationship with my daughter, at lahat naman siguro sa mga kapatid ko, guys, ganyan yung relationship namin. We are super close kahit na malayo yung distance namin, kasi nga, nandito ako sa Australia, nasa Pilipinas sila, but hindi namin ginawang hadlang yun para yung relationship namin is parang strong siya, solid pa rin siya, kahit hindi man kami palaging nagkikita. Sobrang naiyak talaga ako, guys, nung sabi niya sa akin na, ate, my goal is yung uuwi ka ng Pilipinas na pamasahe mo lang yung puproblemahin mo kasi ako na yung bahala dito. Sobrang na-touch talaga ako, guys. Kasi yung sister ko, guys, alam niya talaga lahat. Like, I can't stress enough na sabihin sa inyo kung gaano kami ka-close and ka-sweet ng sister ko. And alam niya na pag umuwi ako, sinasabi ko na kailangan ko mag-save, ganito, ganyan. Kasi alam niya naman sa Pilipinas, guys, diba? Pag uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, of course, paproblemahin mo yung tickets mo. And then pagdating mo doon, sa'yo pa lahat. Kasi pipick upin ka nila sa airport, sa'yo pa yung gasolina, yung mga pagkain. If you're going to stay there for 3 weeks, then seriously, you need to save a lot of money. Kaya yun yung sabi niya na, yan daw yung goal niya na one day sasabihin ko na lang na Mac, kasi Mac yung tawag ko sa kanya, minsan Mingay. Ako lang talaga yung nagtatawag sa kanya ng Mingay. No one else is allowed to call her Mingay. Ako lang. Eh, sabi niya na, gusto ko one day sabihin mo na, Mac, uuwi kami ni Paris, uuwi kami ni Kuya Mike mo, this date, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, just worry about your, your pamiliti, and ako na yung bahala dito. Ako na yung bahala sa gasolina, sa mga pagkain, lahat-lahat. Kaya, super talaga guys, super na-touch talaga ako nung sinabi niya yun. Sobrang saya ko na ganito kami pinalaki ng mama ko guys, na parang, parang sweet ba sa isa't isa, yung kahit malayo, pero nandun pa rin yung sweetness. And thank you na rin nga dito sa ating Facebook and Skype and everything, kasi we can keep our communication with our family, with our loved ones in the Philippines. Pero yun na nga yung masasabi ko guys, na hindi talaga kailangan na mag-asawa ng puti para umahon sa hirap. Kahit sa Pilipinas ka, basta madiskarte ka lang sa buhay and you are hardworking, I think you can reach whatever you want to reach. And I believe na kung ano yung para sa'yo, ay para sa'yo. And yun na nga guys, natapos na ang aking hugasin sa aking chika. Maghuhugas muna ako guys, kasi maghahaponan na kami very soon ba? It's not crispy as yet. Yeah. Maybe leave it for maybe another time. You can tell. Nakahanap tayo ng isang vase. Ayan. So, nalagyan ko ng tubig. Ilalagay natin tong flower na binigay ko for Daddy's birthday. Pero kailangan natin ikat ng, talaga guys. Tingnan nyo, kasi sobrang haba ba? Kailangan siyang ikat. Wala kasing ibang, ibang vase. Ay, alam ko na, maybe exchange ko na lang to doon sa, nasa, tawag dito. Ito, maybe exchange ko to. Kasi this one is maliit. Pwede itong ilagay doon sa vase na yon. Ay, that's what I'm gonna do. So, ayan. Ito yung ilalagay natin dito para hindi ko na siya kailangang ikat. O, diba? Kasi itong bulaklak na to, guys, mamumukadkad pa yan siya ba? Magbo-bloom pa yan, katulad ko, char. Ayan, o, diba? Looks good. Tapos yung isa, dun ko na lang ilalagay, exchange ko na lang sila. I think I'm happy with that. Yay! And ito siya dito. Oh well, that will do. It's cooked! Oh. Hala, oo, crispy siya. Exciting. Mag-bitchin lang ba? Para-paraan lang tani. Yummy.
Wow.
This is a purple balloon. Catch? Ito yung binili namin para sa birthday ng kanyang daddy, guys. So, yesterday. Happy birthday, Daddy! You say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Catch the balloon. Ayan yung guys. Oh, nagsiga-siga siya ba? Lalo, oh. Blow it, nak. Uy! Uy! Una! Di ala tama. Ayan guys, ang aming dinner. Pork roast and then may rice ako. And while watching yung show ba? Ayan siya. Sa Pilipinas, nakakamiss talaga guys. Ooh, yummy! What is it, Baba? Okay.
Hindi ka flow? Hindi ka flow. Dito.
Oh, and I think we might have some fried pork in here that I get to deliver too. My rice.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's awesome. Has a really nice garlicky taste to it. That's really garlicky. And then you have, I think it's a crispy pork belly. I think you have
Good job!
No kitty.
Ating bata, tinulungan niya akong magbasa-basa. Hugas ng plato ba? Ayan, nagbasa-basa. Tingnan niyo, sobrang basa.
Papa, tita.
Bulingit. Let's go change clothes na ta. Come on. Tingnan niyo, hugas ng plato. Mukhang sarili niya, hinugasan niya. Sobrang basa.
No, mommy. Anyway.
Paris.
Yes, mommy.
Eating cupcake.
No, eating Chico.
Eating sugar.
No, mommy.
Telling lies.
No, mommy. Anyway.
Okay na. Come na, alin na. Enough na. Come down, ali. Pa-change clothes na, okay. Basa kay ka, oh. Oo. Hala, na-worm diya karon na. Na-worm. Come on.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Nabihisa na natin siya, guys. Ayan na, ang kanyang suot is pangtulog na. B, Mama will fix it for you. Mama will fix it for you.
Bucket.
Bucket.
Let's learn. Can you find the bucket? Can you find the bucket?
No, it's a booze.
Hooray! You get it!
Toys. Help me find the teddy bear. Yes! Teddy bear. Can you show me the dinosaur? Super! Dinosaur. Can you tap on the robot?
Hi again, guys! It is now 9:20 ng gabi and ang ating baby girl ay nanonood lang ng kanyang nursery rhymes. Ayan, nakahilamos na pala ako. Naglagay na ako ng moisturizer and also ang ating mukha ay parang sana oil. Parang nagmantika siya, guys. Iwan ko sa aking moisturizer. Anyways, ipapatulog ko na ngayon si Paris kasi bukas ay childcare na naman kasi Wednesday bukas. And then, later on, pag nakatulog na to siya, i-ready ko na yung mga gamit niya for tomorrow. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys. Thank you very much, so very much for all the support na pinapakita nyo sa channel natin. And, welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers, sa mga bagong nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider nyong mag-subscribe sa ating channel at sana naman na i-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. And as usual, we are not going to end the vlog without the shout-out. So I'm just going to do a quick shout-out to Janet Gordon, Den and Kids. Shout out from Delia Rolago, Den and Kids. Shout out to Felina Rodriguez. And also shout out daw sa kanyang fiancé, Graham Scoot from Brisbane, Australia. Shout out. Shout out to Rosemary La Rosa, Evelyn Buena, Charmaine Brocal, Mary Ann Caniel Vero, Sonia Laison. Shout out to Lina De Los Santos, Mary Jane Yes Masbanwa, Arlene Undag Leonor, Elnora Grinja, Evert Suta 53. Shout out to Rachel Mandao from Dipolog City. Shout out to Susing Sales from Manila, Philippines. Shout out. Shout out to Arlene Hoover, Rosemary La Rosa, Vanch Asibar, Carol Balitang Diego. Shout out to Verlin Loron. Shout out to Jovi Atilio, Angel Chris Barte, April Rose Romero, Erica Jean, Daya Magallanes. Shout out to Cherry Ramos and the family. And also shout out to Apple Antonio Francisco. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Chari Tamayo, Han Nathan Vlogs, Rosemary Romuar, Vivian Boton, Myla Betasolo, Lydia Cabail, Jennifer Jiven, Teresita Abaluyan, Lisan Bansil, Elsa Mapago, LV Rumboso, Lucel Akupinpin, Lorna Tumarong, Jam B, Joy, shout out to Gladys Mandanhuyan, Joren Balatan, Riz Chano, Norberta Nono, Nuna Luth, shout out to Kosha Basham, Marilu Lapos, Bernadette Elmido, Viviel Elerio, Mylene Franco, Red Subial, and Delza Takang. Ang ating baby ay sleepy na ito siya. Naghahanap na ng baby. Halina. Come na, mommy. Come to mommy. Come here. Come. Cuddle sa mama, be. You sure you say good night, Nabi, friends. Good night, friends. I love you. Blank kiss na lang. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, takbi. Thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
be careful. Bye.